Okay, welcome everybody to Savana Studios. I'm Lucas, and I'm working on a game. As maybe some of you know, I've showed this off on this channel before, months ago. But yeah, I've been working on that quite a lot. And yeah, it's a very fun interest in me right now. I don't know, the project is quite big. If you don't know what I'm working on, it is a Viking RPG in the low poly style. And I've been having a lot of fun planning, but also doing some stuff, like some major things that I'm gonna get into. There is one problem. The name is not set for this game. Right now, the game is called Valhalla, which in itself isn't really a bad name, but it's very very used. Anything Nordic has the Valhalla in it. For everyone who doesn't know, Valhalla is the paradise in the Norse mythology, because in this game there will be a lot of Norse mythology. So we need a name. But right now, every graphic thing that I've done, it's branded Valhalla, as you can see in some of the screenshots. It's a good start, but if you have any ideas, of course just write them down in the comments or wherever. But I feel like the further I get into the lore of the game, I feel like I would figure it out, and there will come something very fitting along the way. Okay, so first we have the UI, because what you guys have seen, I think, was only a hotbar in that first video. So the inventory right now is more of a panel-based system, like Fallout has it, which I would like to change. I need to figure out what kind of inventory system fits best for this kind of game, because obviously it's an RPG, so you don't want the inventory to be too big of a hassle, because this won't be one of those games where you have to micromanage everything you have, and it's not basically a survival game. But in the future, I would like to add the backpack option, like you need to find backpacks to be able to carry more and more, because I would love to sort of merge the whole survival genre with I want an RPG with survival components, basically, because I want it to be a little different. So new inventory, we have quests now, which I'm working on. It's not fully worked out, but the main thing is there. You accept the missions, you go do them. Right now it's a little trouble with having several ones. They kind of merge. I'm not super experienced in coding. I know some, or scripting. But right now the questing works. I also have the stats. Right now, just a normal stats panel. I have damage. That's the one stat I have right now, but also the availability to add more stats. But yeah, right now, as you can see in the prototype build, I'm messing around with this kind of hammer that I made, Mjolnir, I call it, because you can throw it and call it back. So this is basically working on the gameplay perspective, so no stories and nothing like that yet. But also I should say I have a big main menu now that I've started on. So basically the start menu is working. You have character customizations, which I showed you a little bit in my last video, but that has gone way cleaner, I feel like. And you have this character preview in the UI. You also have a username, which that system I'm not completely worked out on yet. I know that it won't be fully multiplayer. I'm thinking there will be a co-op, so missions that you do up to like 5-6 people, I think could be nicer. Also, as you may see, I've lined up all these characters that I have for now, that I want to put in the game. They're all from Polygon. Well, most of my things are from Polygon. I bought 2-3 packages, I think, of low poly. models. The low poly nature pack I can really recommend. It's very nice on the asset store. Well, they're all on the asset store. And then I also have the fantasy rivals and the Viking package. I don't like the Viking humans in the package, so that's why I'm not using them. I'm using my own model. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to go through this first devlog. And we'll see in the future. Might maybe start like a Patreon or something. We'll see how far it gets. But it's very fun, and I'm working on it almost constantly. So yeah. Thanks for watching.